Right, remember with the polling that's set to conclude today, the 7 phases coming to an end, and that, of course, as expected, will be followed by the exit polls as well. India today has that #1 strike rate when it comes to exit polls. But that has also led to a full-blown political showdown. This, remember, is because the Congress party has decided to boycott the exit polls. Home Minister Amit Shah has reacted on it and said Congress will lose, cannot face the media, and that is why they've decided to boycott the exit polls. They're launching a big attack on Rahul Gandhi.
एग्जिट पोल कई समय से चल रहा है, हर बार वो हिस्सा लेते, मगर इस बार हार के कारण एक्सप्लेन न कर पाने की स्थिति में वो इसका बहिष्कार कर रहे हैं। और कांग्रेस पार्टी वैसे भी जब से राहुल गांधी मुख्य व्यवस्था में आए हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी की, डिनायल मोड में जी रही है।
Mr. Amit Shah is charging the Congress party of this. Remember, the Congress party has boycotted the exit polls and said they'll wait directly for the results on the 4th of June. Poulomi Saha joining me for the latest on this. Poulomi, it's very interesting that even the exit polls have now led to a huge political showdown. Poulomi, if you can hear me, that Home Minister Amit Shah perhaps is that first statement coming in from the government and from the ruling party on the political showdown over exit polls.
That's right. Yesterday the BJP top guns and top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party did come out and hit back at the Congress, clearly stating that this the fact that the Congress has chosen to stay away from any exit poll debates or discussions shows that the Congress is facing a rout in these Lok Sabha elections. They've probably seen that coming, as a result of which they've decided to stay away from any debates or discussions. So the BJP, they're taking pot shots at the Congress party after the Congress party announced its decision that they will only participate in discussions on June 4th when the results are out, when the counting is underway, but they're not going to participate in any sort of speculation as far as results are concerned, which is what they're referring to the exit polls as. The BJP, of course, has lapped up this opportunity and said this basically says that the Congress is staying away simply because they are facing a defeat in these elections.
So Poulomi will be tracking all the latest when it comes to even the political showdown now with regard to the exit polls.